Welcome back to my channel. Jeff here. Just installed my new Downforce Solution splitter and just wanted to show you guys how it looks. I gotta say, this took way longer than I was expecting, but definitely has that aggressive looks now with it, which I really like. The reason I went with this specific splitter is because of the red lining that Downforce offers. It definitely matched with the design I'm going with the black on red. Just wanted to thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave any comments or question. Appreciate it.